everyone, and welcome. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to be doing a little bit of carpet cleaning today. I'm going to be showing you the process how to remove some stains in the carpet. This rug is actually in my dining room. You can see I got like some weird food stains, some purple stains, whatever that is. Some sauce stains over here. So I'm going to show you the process from start to finish. Basically what we have to do is we're going to pre-vacuum as well as we can with a good quality vacuum using my vintage Hoover direct air vacuum. I'm going to do a really thorough vacuum. The key to good carpet cleaning is to do a good pre-vacuuming to remove a lot of the loose surface soil, sand, and dirt as possible before you actually get the carpet wet, because that'll make the results that much better. And then we're going to mix up a little bit of pre-spray and sprayer using this stuff, which is actually made in Sturtevant, Wisconsin, believe it or not, so it's pretty close by. I'm going to be using some of that, and then as a rinse, because my carpet extractor actually has a leak in it, I'm going to be mixing up vinegar and water in my 2-gallon Smith pump sprayer that I use for other things. So this guy I primarily use for cleaning solution, things like that. So, you know, before you use a pump sprayer like this on your carpet, really thoroughly rinse it with water. Make sure there's nothing else residual left over from any other chemicals that may have been in there, especially bleach. Do not use the same sprayer for bleach or other cleaning chemicals. I keep my bleach sprayer completely separate because I don't want it to mix with anything accidentally. So stick around, we're going to do a bit of vacuuming and then I'm going to show you the process. You guys have seen me mix things before, so I'm not going to go into detail about that, but it's basically 4 ounces per 1 gallon of mix. This is a 24-ounce sprayer. I put in about a ½ ounce, so give or take, that's pretty close enough. I'm just eyeballing it, but anyway, the key for carpet cleaning is to get the solution as hot as possible. I ran the tap for about 30 seconds, so it's at max temperature of my water heater, which is about 130 degrees, so that should be good. We'll go ahead and spray this down. Let it sit for about 10 minutes or so, agitate it, and then we'll extract. Okay, I used a hand sprayer because I was feeling lazy, didn't feel like rinsing out my pump sprayer multiple times. So the next thing you want to do is get a carpet rake or a brush or something. I'm just going to use this, just a quick agitation, just to mix everything up a little bit on the carpet. And, you know, I'm just going to concentrate on the stain areas first, but that's the most important thing. I might give that a little extra attention, but you don't want to be super aggressive with the brush, just real light, unless you have some stains, because if you're too aggressive, you can ruin the fibers of the carpet. So you got to be careful.
Daddy, I want the table.
I see. Be careful up there. Oh, not good for the back. Alright, that step was optional, but you get the best results whenever you brush, but the carpet extractor has a rotating brush on the bottom, so I'll use that as well. We'll extract a little bit of the liquid. There's not much because I did a real light spray, so this is kind of like bonnet cleaning, I guess, or low moisture cleaning. So what I'm really doing is just agitating, and then I'm going to rinse with some vinegar water, and then I'm going to extract it completely. Now, another critical component of successful do-it-yourself carpet cleaning is, besides pre-vacuuming, you got agitation, extraction, rinsing, and drying. So I'm going to do the rinse and extract at the same time here. I'm going to spray my vinegar water mix. I'm going to spray it down, extract it, and then the best thing to do after the fact is you get some fans to get the airflow moving, open up some windows, and with that, you should hopefully dry the carpets within a couple of hours, and you'll be on your way to doing a post-vacuum the next day, and you should be pretty much good to go. So, I'll go ahead and get on with this, and then we'll check out the results after I'm finished. Alright, here we go with rinsing. This is a fan tip nozzle. And with this, I'm going to saturate it quite a bit more than when I did with the pre-soak. Alright, this is the final step before we dry everything. So the vinegar helps neutralize the cleaning chemical, and what that does is a lot of cleaning agents are alkaline in nature, so they might have a pH of like 8.5 to 9 or 10, so it's a little bit on the higher side of the pH scale, whereas vinegar is acidic, so what that does is it basically neutralizes it so there's no residue left over. So alright, we're going to extract the rinse, and then we're going to put some fans in front of it and finish up. So notice how I am going in opposite directions for drying. I went this direction first and then I started going this direction afterwards. So, you know, that's basically just to get a double pass to extract as much water as possible. That way it dries quickly. And notice I'm also overlapping, so that's important as well. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and finish this up quick. I'm going to put some fans on here, let it dry for a couple of hours. The beauty of using this method is that you can get your carpets dry within a matter of hours instead of overnight or even 12 hours like sometimes with heavy amounts of water, which will, you know, cause a lot of problems with spotting and stains reappearing. This won't happen if you use a low volume of water like I did here today. So anyway, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything like that, any improvements I can do, go ahead and leave the comments below. And I'll be doing a full video of my full house cleaning sometime in the future. Thanks for watching. Okay, here's the results. I was showing you this section over here before, and you know, there's just a couple of little spots left. I got rid of most of the lighter spots. Those, you know, grayish black spots are pretty much taken care of. There's just a couple of little you know, sauce stains over here. I'm probably gonna have to use like an acidic cleaner to get those out, most likely, so I'll hit up those separately. But you know, all the other little spots and everything are pretty much gone, save for a couple of really bad ones. But yeah, things are looking pretty good. So we're just gonna put a fan in front of this for a couple of hours until it's dry. I can tell already, even just after extraction, it's damp, but it's not saturated. So you know, just get a little bit of airflow over here, and I think in a couple of hours it'll be completely dry.